recall years ago when the brewer's retail was here in Ontario, and if you were buying beer, you probably just walked in and there was a shelf there and it showed a few brands. That would be, say, Labatt's, say Carling would be up there. You had a few choices of beer, and you fill up your little cart and out you went with your beer. Then over the years they became microbreweries, and the choice became more and more. And the shelf space for the microbreweries grew and grew to the point where the market share that the large beer companies had diminished significantly just due to choice that the microbreweries were able to provide through what was now called the beer store, where people go and shop and say, well, we'll try the Moosehead, we'll try this, we'll try that. Similar thing is happening in the financial services industry, in that it used to be that there were 5, 6 large banks, and they're located close by in the neighborhood, physical location. Maybe you knew the branch manager, he was head of the Kinsman or something, and your choice was limited, say, to this big 6. The odd credit union would be there, but for the most part, that was your choice. Well, as times have progressed with the innovation in technology, particularly the internet, and as consumers have become conversant with the use of technology, banking is now done mainly over the internet, which to me that's the analogy of the brewer's retail turning into the beer store, where choice is available on the internet. And websites, and take the analogy with the beer store, the website and the label on the beer can be just as pretty as everybody else, and the consumer now has a lot of choice, and if innovation is what they're looking for, the new FIs that are getting into it with wonderful websites will get their piece of the market share. So it's a scary time for the bigger financial institutions, in that their strength for centuries has been location, and the human relationships that they developed over the years. But it's very, very rapidly being replaced with website technology rather than direct human relationship, which opens a tremendous opportunity for our bank, and not being lumbered with all the overheads that bricks and mortar has brought, or the old antiquated systems. Ours, of course, are up to date and brand new. We built them ourselves. And we have a huge, monstrous market with VersaBank, the entire world, and with lending and deposit raising all of Canada, that's easily accessible to us through our technology. So finally, our time has arrived. Earlier on, it was a tough go to explain to people, and regulators in particular, that times were changing, and that people would want to deal with financial institutions using their laptops, their iPads, versus getting their best suit on and walking into the local branch with an appointment to tell the branch manager they wanted a loan to buy a new motorcycle, and then receiving all the good advice about how dangerous that would be, and going on and on. Nowadays, with the technology that we've created, that person can go down to the local motorcycle dealer, choose a Ducati, sort of like I did, and get financing right there and then, and drive away on their new motorbike without having to explain why they should be driving a motorbike and that they aren't all that dangerous. So times have changed.